Welcome back everyone. So once you have to create an account on canva.com, what you need to do is you just need to go to canva.com website and just click on sign up. And once you will click on sign up, you will get the option of continue with Google, or you can use the continue with email, or another option is sign up with your work email. So you can just, as per your convenience, you just need to enter your email address and you can continue, and you can register for free account. So that's so easy. Okay, so after that, once you will register, and I have told you like how to create this. So now let's, if you have to upload your images, so what you need to do is, okay, so I'm just going to create a new design. So I'm just going to create new design, and I'm using Instagram post. So this is the blank and new design. Now what I want to do is I want to upload my pics or my images which I want to use. So I just need to go to uploads. I need to click on it. So these are some images which I have already uploaded. So I'm just clicking on upload file, and I'm just going to my folder where there are some images which I want to use. So I just want to use this one picture, and let me add some more pictures which I want to use. So I am uploading all of the pictures which I want to use. So here you can see it is getting uploading, and you can also see the symbol over here. So it is showing how much time is left. Now every file has been uploaded. So I just want to use it. Okay, so I just need to click over here and it will come over here, but I'm just going to delete this. First of all, I want to add some frame. I want to show the image in some frame. So what I need to do is I just need to go to the elements. I will click on elements, and if I will come down, so these are frames. I will click on frames. So these are some frame you can use as per your requirement. I'm just going to use some beautiful frame. I like this one. So I'm just clicking over here, and I can resize it as per my requirement. So here you can see it's looking great. Now I want to add the image to it. So what I will do is I will just go to uploads, and here you can see this is the image which I want to add, and I will click on it, and it will just come over here. Okay, so now it is, but you can change the size as well, like this. So you can just, okay, so now here it's looking like this is really looking good, and I'm just going to delete this, and I will show you some another frame. I'm just going to element again, and I'm using some another frame like okay, I'm just going to use this simple one, so that whole of the image will come into it. Okay, so I'm just using this one like this, and what I will do is I will go to upload, and I will select the image, and I will just double click on it, and I will change its size, and just a second, I just need to decrease the size from over here. So now here you can see it's coming, but the size is very large. Okay, so okay, I just want it to be like this. So here you can see it's looking like that. So like this, there are different type of frames. You can use the frames as you want. Okay, let me just show you the simple one. I'm going to delete this one, and I'm just going to use this one, and I'm going to elements, uploads, and I'm going to use this. So here you can see, so I can just make the changes like this. Okay, these this I use, that was element of frames. Now I am going to show you about using the grid. Okay, I'm going to delete this, and instead of frames, what I'm going to use is, I just want to use the grids. So grids are very important. So as an example, I have to show different images in a grid. So what I will do is, I will select some grid type. As an example, I am just considering this one. So it has only two images. Okay, no, I just want more. Okay, so this is not also, I just want at least three grid. Yeah, so here you can see, and let me increase the size, and you can just change it as you want. You can just change the size as you want by selecting over here, and I am just selecting this. So now, and if you will click on that, if you will select over here, so here there is an option of spacing. You can just click on that, and you can just increase or decrease the space as you want. So I'm just keeping this space. Okay, you can just, here you can see the difference in spacing. So you can just keep as you want. So I'm just taking this. Now I want to upload the images in it. So not this one, this one will be fine. Okay, no, so I'm going to add like this. So now it has this frame. Okay, and you can just change as you want. Okay, so like this, you can use the frames and grids to display the images as per your needs. Okay, so just, so it also depends on the image, like, and you can change the size of the image how you want to display by double click on that. So I just want this part to be display. Here you can see, so this is looking good now because it is covering all of the face. Okay, so that's much about this video, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.